Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have what matters: credentials and a reachable IP, so start now. Open your SSH client or CPM console and enter the server IP and port. This establishes the connection handshake. Next, load your private key or paste credentials into the CPM login fields because authentication happens first. While connecting, check for any firewall or VPN requirements. If you can't reach the port, that's why. Once connected, stop and verify your user role to ensure you have join permissions. Once authenticated, run the CPM join sequence with the server token and designate the target group. This enrolls the node. You must configure the node's hostname, roles, and resource tags so the control plane schedules workloads correctly. Make sure time sync and DNS are working because mismatches break certificate trust. Similarly, confirm required ports and package versions to avoid incompatibility. After configuration, wait for the control plane to acknowledge the node and report its status back to you. You finish by validating that the node is active and ready to take tasks in the CPM console. Look for green status and recent heartbeat timestamps. Run health checks, inspect logs for service errors, verify TLS certificates, and test connectivity to required endpoints. If the node does not appear, check for authentication or port blockade issues. Often a TLS mismatch or firewall rule blocks enrollment. As a key troubleshooting tip, rotate the join token and retry the join sequence after fixing the underlying error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.